Here we have the identity a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So this is in the form of the a what 3a. This is equal to 3a plus 4b into a square 3a whole square minus ab 3a into 4b plus 4b whole square. 3a plus 4b into 9a square minus 12ab plus 16b square. That's it. 16b square. Again we have here another 343 y cube 343 y cube minus 1000 343 y cube minus 1000 m cube 343 I think 7 into 749 into 7 7y whole cube 7 cube minus 10 this is equal to a plus b 7 cube minus 10 cube a minus b 7y minus 10 into 7 square 7y whole square plus ab 7y into 10 plus 10 square 7y minus 10 into 49y square plus 70y plus 100. That's it. Up and down. Here the identity is since a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, next children, this is factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xy. This is in the form of identity. What identity is this? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Each and every one, remember all these identities. Already we have discussed so many identities in this session. So at any time while you are using, remember the identities. First, how to remember? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Like that, remember this. So 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. This is equal to, we can write 27 3x whole cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3x into minus 3 into 3x into y z. Now it is in the form of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz in the form. This is equal to, what is x? 3x, x term, 3x plus y plus z into 3x whole square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus 3xy because x means 3x minus yz minus zx minus 3zx. That's it. One more step. 3x plus y plus z into 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3zx. That's it. Copy down. We can use reversely also. Minus 64 CQ minus 24 ABC. So now this is the given. From the given, how to factorize? One thing, is it belongs to any identity? As it is belongs to an identity x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. That's it. Now this is not in complete form. Now this is equal to, we write a cube plus b minus 2b whole cube plus minus 4c whole cube minus 3abc, 3 into a into b into c minus 4c. That's it. We substitute like minus 3abc. Now we write a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to x plus y plus z a minus 2ab minus 4c into a square plus b square plus c square x plus y plus z minus 2b plus minus 2b whole square plus minus 4c whole square minus xy minus a into 2b minus yz minus 2b into minus 4c minus zx minus z means here minus 4c into a. This equal to a minus 2b minus 4c into a square minus 2b whole square plus 4b square plus 16 c square minus plus 2ab minus plus 8bc minus plus 4ca. That's it. 4ca. Confidentially. So reversely, so product of reversely a plus b plus c is equal to 2a plus b plus c 2a square plus b square plus c square minus ab 2a into b minus bc minus ca 2a into c. This is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube 2a whole cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc 3xyz minus 3 into 2a into bc 8a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 6abc. That's it. Come down. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz minus 3xyz equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus zx minus yz minus zx. This is here. This is LHS, RHS. Substitute x plus y plus z equal to 0 given. This equal to 0 into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy yz minus zx. 0 into something 0. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to 0 implies x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. This is identity. X cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. When if x plus y plus z equal to 0, if x plus y plus z equal to 0, we write x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. It's most important identity.